So you want to recharge your Taiwan Mobile SIM card, your Taiwan Da Ge SIM card, or your MyPhone SIM card. I don't know why they have so many names, but hey, that's how it is. But you do not know how to get a recharge voucher. Well, luckily for you, I have this tutorial on how to get yourself a recharge voucher. So let's just get started, shall we? Hi, it's Otto from PhoneTravelist.com, where we talk about everything related to traveling with your phone. And today I'll be focusing on Taiwan Mobile. There are actually 3 ways of topping up your Taiwan Mobile SIM card. One is you can do it online, and I'm not sure if the online top-up function is in English, most likely just Chinese. 2, you go to a Taiwan Mobile store and you just ask for a top-up or for them to top it up for you. And 3, you can go to a 7-Eleven store and use the Ibon Machine to get yourself a top-up voucher, which is probably the most preferred way if there's no Taiwan Mobile store nearby, which might be only in rural Taiwan because there are so many Taiwan Mobile stores. It's incredible. But the issue with the last and preferred top-up method is that the Ibon Machine is primarily in Chinese. So if you cannot read Chinese, then it will be hard to top up. This tutorial is for you, where I will give you step-by-step guides on how to top up with the Ibon Machine. So let me just show you how to do so. So here are some steps to get yourself a Taiwan Mobile recharge voucher with the Ibon Machine. If you see something else except for this, that's just advertisement, you can click it away with the X button. The first thing you have to press is this button with the $sign. If this menu changes in the future, which changes every few years, you just look for this text. I will have some translation down there and a text below here on the screen as well. You press that, then you click on telecommunication services, then you focus on this character, which is different from all the other ones. I don't really know what everything else here means because, well, I can't read Chinese. You press that, you click on Taiwan Mobile or Taiwan Da Ge, how you want to pronounce it. You press this one. This is prepaid. This is something that I cannot read. This is something that I cannot read. You press this one. Well, then you have multiple options. So let's just go to all of these options. One should be unlimited data, one should be meter data, and one should be credit. So let's press the yellow one first to see what we actually get. We press yes. This is yes, this seemed to be just credit, so 100, 300, 600, 1000. So let's say we just want data, so we go back, same instructions here, Taiwan Mobile, prepaid. This, what do we get here? Here we get, yes, data. For example, you get unlimited data for 1 day for 100 Taiwanese dollar, which is valid for 24 hours. When I say unlimited data, it really is unlimited data. Here you have another option where you get 10 GB of data with high speed, then it will be throttled to 5 megabits per second for 30 days for 700 Taiwanese dollar. And here you have another option which doesn't have the throttle speeds for $900, there you get unlimited data for 30 days. So let's check the other options. So we have to go here again. If you wonder why I click the home button each time, it's because if you go back, you will go back to your home, and with this one you save some presses. So now we check this one. I think this one is the meter data, meaning that it's not unlimited data like the other ones. Yes, for example, here you get 1.2 GB of data for 60 days, which will cost you 180 Taiwanese dollar. But now with the promotion going on, then you get 6.4 GB of data. Normally you get 3.2 GB of data, 5 GB of data for 90 days, 20 GB of data for 120 days. And yeah, those are your options. So that's how you top up. Oh well, let me just show you how the voucher looks like. You press yes, you agree, then you get a receipt which is shown down here, and then you show it to the 7-Eleven salesperson, and then you get your Taiwan Mobile recharge voucher. So that's it. It's quite straightforward, at least if you can read what's on the screen. But if you cannot do so, then it's quite difficult and a challenge. I need to give a heads up for those who got themselves a Taiwan Mobile SIM card at the airport, is that these SIM cards, they cannot be extended. So if you try to buy yourself an internet package that might have a longer validity than the SIM card itself, then you will be wasting your money, because after the SIM card expires, you cannot choose a SIM card anymore. Then you are required to get another SIM card. So be aware of that. And I said that this applies to the SIM cards sold at the airport. It also applies to the Taiwan Mobile stores, where they also sell 2 SIM cards. You will not be able to extend your SIM card with getting an internet package from the Ibon Machine. It will just expire at the day it expires. I hope that these step-by-step steps or instructions it will be easy for you to top up your Taiwan Mobile SIM card. Once again, I'm Otto for Phone Tourist, where I talk about everything related to traveling with your phone or SIM cards in general. If you're considering getting yourself a different Taiwanese SIM card, or if you want to know which Taiwanese SIM card is the best, then you might want to watch this comparison video or my playlist of in-depth reviews of the Taiwanese SIM cards, and then you may want to consider switching to another operator. If you thought this video was helpful, make sure to click the like button and also make sure to subscribe. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.